What's going on, world? If you're watching this, then that means you made it to the other side. No, I'm just kidding. But that means you made it to the BYOB community. So congratulations. You're at the right place, definitely at the right time, and we're excited to have you. So without further ado, I don't want to hold you up. I just want to show you guys how to get off to a great start. I would say a good start, but everything we do here, we want to be great. So I'm going to show you how to get off to a great start. The moment you come on board, you access your all-in-one digital suite. You should see a link like this. Now, if you clicked on our dollar deal, you may have access to everything. If you clicked on a link you found on site where it gives you like free access, we do have some of those out right now, but the promotional deal right now that we are excited about is the $1 to start deal. Now, if you've done that, you click that, you should have access to everything. If so, then you'll see a dashboard like this. There should have been a video that popped up. That video, make sure you watch it. The first video is about 41 seconds, shows you the tools, shows you the platform, shows you how to customize your platform. Now, make sure you watch that video, and after you watch it, you should land at something that looks like this. So once you get here, this is your dashboard. This is where all the excitement happens. This is why we are blown away, because we have everything you need to get to the next level. So first thing you want to do, step one, is to be a product of the product. I mean, there's no use in having this awesome tool, having everything you need, and you don't know how to use it. Or there's no use in sharing this with anybody if you don't know what you're talking about. So the simplest way to become a product of the product is, one, build something. All of these apps right here, they all do something. They all do something amazing, to be honest with you. And you can really click help right here. You can click training. You can learn about what these things do before you actually do them. So these are the top 3 website builders. Looking at your website, building it out, and email marketing. But we have tons. As you can see, we have things to build your email marketing, things for like chatbots for Facebook, website, social auto posting apps for you, things for your Telegram, CRM systems. We have things for design. I mean, guys, there's so much in this platform. Now, I know there are a lot of platforms out there that are great at other things, but this is the most complete platform I've ever been involved with. So first things first, become a product of the product. Test all of this stuff out. If you haven't the slightest idea how to start with anything, click on training. Go to platform training and start here. It shows you how to build a website. It'll walk you through it. Everything you need to do. You want to build a funnel. You want to learn about Facebook pages or how to build a YouTube, Instagram page, SMS messaging. We do have a text messaging system. So we have all of this stuff, right? All of this awesome stuff. If you don't know how to do it, first place you want to go is training. Watch some videos, learn how to do it. Then that should excite you. That should excite somebody you know who has aspirations about building something online, but they don't know where to start. So here you are learning about the tools that are not only beneficial to you, but will be beneficial to somebody else you know. So first step, be a product of the product. After you went through the training, or after you built something with one of these apps, you want to click on affiliates. Now, I love this because this platform has made everything so simple for you. So simple for you. Now, if you're somebody that doesn't have the time to build, or you think it's going to take you a while to build, you can start sharing this awesome platform with others, and the company will pay you. So the next step you want to do, now I'm telling you this step because if you are part of my team, I have something special for you. The video that got you here, that got you excited about this dollar deal, I'm giving it to you. So you can share that same video with others. And when they click on the video, they click on the link, it's going to count for you. You will get the actual, you'll get the credit. You'll get the referral. So in order for me to do that, you have to have your link somewhere where I can access it. So the first step, become a product of the product. Second step, click on affiliates. So after you click on affiliates, it'll take you here. Now, guys, you really want it. And the first time you'll have to, sign up and do all of this stuff to make sure you're getting paid. So you'll want to go through all of this stuff and make sure you take your time with it. But for right now, I'm showing you the first 3 steps. So after you go through the dashboard, you go through the affiliate dashboard, you learn about all of this stuff. But we're going to click on lead generation funnels. I'm going to click on lead generation funnels, and that's going to take me to a page that if you have a domain, now guys, this is a disclaimer. If you don't have a domain, you can still make money. But if you have a domain, it will definitely help you out a lot better, because we're here to build brand associations. So if you do have a domain that you want to use, you can enter it here. If you don't know where to get a domain, you can go to GoDaddy.com, or you can go on Google and type in $1 domains at GoDaddy.com, and you'll get a link where you can get a domain for $1. Get your domain, come back and post here. Or let's move out if you don't have a domain. So let's say you don't have a domain. Scroll down, you'll see affiliate links. Now, these pages are already done for you. These pages explain everything about this awesome platform. This even gives them a video. It even gives them free access, so it doesn't cost them anything. Exciting, right? I know. So first thing you want to do, become a product of the product. Second thing, you want to get back here into your affiliate side, copy this link, copy it, put it on a notepad. You'll see I on my computer, I have a notepad. So I post my links right here. So post this, save your link, because you're going to be sharing this not only with the world, but you're going to be sharing this with me. You're going to be sharing this with anybody that you know may want to build their own brand. So after you have the link copied, scroll all the way up to the top of your dashboard. Click on account. Scroll down. This is have all your information. Now click on advanced configurations. This is really important. It should have you're sponsored by Digital Plug. You'll see my name. But you want to scroll down. Click on tags. First, you should start off in general, but click on tags and fill out this information. You know, put your first name, last name. If you have a Skype, WeChat, phone number, put that information in. Now, if you have a business you're already promoting, a product you're already promoting right now, if it's MLM, affiliate marketing, if you have your own services, put that right there. For this video, you're going to put that link you just copied that I had you copy. You're going to put it where it says promotional links. Now, I'm going to drop mine here because I already have mine up there, but copy and paste the link you just copied, paste it right where it says promotional links. After it's pasted there, click the save button. I'll delete mine. Actually, I'll keep it right there. Click the save button, and that's it. So you've test drove the platform. You saw all of these tools. You copied your affiliate link. So one, you're ready to go. You're ready to start sharing this thing before you even figured it out how awesome it is for yourself. So you're ready to start sharing it. But two, more importantly, what you just did was allow for my funnel that I built to work for you. So you can share my story, my word, my path for now until you create your own, and others will still join this movement. So we are here to help each other. So after you get through step 1, step 2, the third step is to join the Telegram group. Join our private BYOB group so you can get access to the members, you can get access to the tools, the team, the training, and more importantly, you can get started, because this was just getting you plugged in. The next steps, which will be in our private group, will show you exactly what you need to do to build your own brand. With that being said, my name's Sus Villano, better known as Jamar Johnson when we're talking business. I'm one of the CEOs here with BYOB, and I'll see you at the top because the bottom's way too crowded. Peace.